Karibuni sana hapa kwa Just Save Home Appliances. Today we have a guest. Na kawaida si nikitembelewa mnatembelewa. Ndio. Sasa atajiintroduce na tuko na pia merchandise noma tunaenda kuzichambua, so we shall be reviewing this blender to sai. Si kesho. Lakini situjue guest ni nani.
Okay.
Yes, hello everybody, my name is Mahmoud. We are talking from company called Saratec and Great Tec. It's the same brand. This one in the market from like 7 years now in Kenya, and this brand is very nice brand. Is every people is trusted. We have a new product today. The blender Great Tec is 4-in-1. This one have a lot of benefit for all the customer. We have 4 things. First thing, we have juicer.
Before I even go to the blender, so anaitwa Mahmoud, ametoka Saratec. Sasa tuko pamoja. Anaitwa Mahmoud. By then we do have Saratec. Ma customers wetu si mnajua Saratec?
Akiwa na igocha.
Huyo ndio mwenye.
Ndio Saratec.
Yes, amekuja live. So kukaza Saratec muitishe saa hii. Na kitu yote ya Saratec. So tuko na blender anatu explainia pole pole.
Ndio hiyo.
So tunaingia hapa sasa. Tuko pamoja? Let's go.
First thing, we have juicer.
Yes.
Juicer from inside is stainless steel.
Yes.
And this one have a very strong engine, even a Cooper engine.
Wow.
And this Cooper engine cannot turn easily, even if you are make a lot of loading in it.
Wow. So this one is made of copper. This one is made of copper. It's made of copper. And this anasema hii hizi za ndani it's stainless steel. Guys, stainless steel haiwezi rust. So inamaanisha utaigonjeka na hii kitu. Hata blend for how long hii kitu haitawai rust.
Okay.
Ndio?
Even we have another thing is a surprise for all customer. We have this jar. It's unbreakable.
Wow.
You can do like this.
Can you do it, Timo?
Do this at home.
If you can stand
You
on it.
can do this.
You can stand on it. Give me your hand, Timo.
Wow.
Guys, it is unbreakable. It is unbreakable.
Guys!
So commercial watu wa ujipawa, hii blender zinavunjika, Timo amesimama juu yake. Na nimekula walai, nimekula lunch.
So how many liters is that jug?
How many liters is this jug?
This one is 2.5 meters.
2.5 liters. Unbreakable, 2.5. Copper, stainless steel, 2.5.
And we have the last
unbreakable.
surprise. No one can see it. in the
Gotcha.
blender. This engine is waterproof engine.
Whoa.
It can go in water. Even you can do it together. This is the water. This one is the water. And this is the engine.
Yes.
You can make it water. It's
On.
on now. It's working. Okay, you can blend it.
Waterproof. Guys. Waterproof.
So anyone in other shop in anyone in the kitchen, there is no breakable jar. There is no engine you can be having any problem.
It is water.
Welcome to Great Tec and Saratec.
What?
Waterproof. Guys, it
Ulisikia
is waterproof.
Walisikia wapi?
Made of copper. This one is made of copper. Warranty ni ya miaka ngapi?
Miaka
2 years. Is it true?
Yes.
2 years.
From Saratec.
From Saratec. This one here, they are stainless steel.
Ndio hizo.
Stainless steel. Haiwezi rust. Hii ni unbreakable.
So inamaanisha we can put hot water inside. Can we?
Yes.
You can put hot water. Yes, this is stainless steel cannot affect. And this one is unbreakable, so you can use hot water.
Wow.
Na si blender tu.
Imagine.
There are others. Kindly take us through.
Second thing, this one we can use to clear the juice from anything outside. If someone is on the mind like this, you can just put like this. You fix, you put. You can see that the rubbish is coming here and the juice is coming inside. This one, a small grinder. You can grind minced meat. you can grind something, but very small amount because it's a small one.
Okay.
So it cannot be big. This one is for make black pepper, cumin, from seeds to powder.
Okay.
So it's a very nice one,
It's a
even
very
stainless steel. And this engine can make it like mincing meat. It is strong. But we must take care when you put meat, you don't put skin, you don't put bones, you don't put something like the white ones inside the meat. So because this is not for mincing.
Yeah.
Okay, so you must take care before you put it inside there. Thank you so much for Just Save It. Is our big customer in cookers. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Amesema asanteni bana. This one is a chopper. This one is a grinder. It's a 3-in-1.
Now,
3-in-1.
hii tutaifanya practical
And this is
kwa
the
yetu.
fourth one.
Yes, actually there is a sieve.
Which is 4-in-1.
Amesema hii unaona ukitaka mchuzi yako ikuwe fine, ikuwe juice bila particles. Eka hii kwanza
Ndio hiyo.
hapa ndani ndio hizo ma extracts zibaki hapa ndani. So juice yenye inatoka hapa ni pure juice.
Pure juice. Pure juice.
Sasa kwa bei ndo amuamini.
Imagine kuna wale wanasema mimi nataka kutumia kwa vitu moto za
Unataka
mtoto.
nimekuwa nikizunguka. Bei ndo uwezi amini. Imagine it is going for 5,000 shillings only.
5,000 only.
Here had just seven appliances.
5,000
That's cheap.
only.
It is that cheap.
Imagine.
Yeah? Na iko na 2 years
Na
warranty.
quality yake timo.
Sasa quality yake hii si ni kopa. Hii ni kopa. Warranty ni ngapi? 2 years. Si kitu tumeingiza ndani ya maji.
Imagine.
Nimeingiza ndani ya maji. Si nimekanyaga. Nikakanyaga. Yeah. Guys, what else?
What else?
Acha niendeni matunda.
And then matunda sasa
Acha
tunafanya
tupatane kwa practical ya hii kitu.
Ndio hiyo.
We shall do it practically. At our YouTube you'll find the full video. TikTok hapa chini kuna video nyingine inaingia hapa chini ya tukifinya matunda. Si ndio? Na pia video za Saratec amesema zimeingia.
Zimeingia.
Wakianguka na sisi, tunaanguka na nyinyi.
Tunaanguka na wao.
Si mlianguka na sisi. Si wamekam.
Ndio hiyo.
Sasa utufagie hii order na tufagie hiyo order na siku moja, tujue nini next.
Ndio hiyo.
Ndio? Karibuni sana hapa kwa Just Save.
Oh.
Appliances.